They say that eyes are the windows to your soul, but did you know they are also windows to your health? Eye exams check the quality of your vision and the onset of certain diseases such as amblyopia, also known as lazy eye, where one eye becomes weaker and wanders off center. Cataracts, where the lenses become cloudy, causing blurrier vision and increased sensitivity to light. And glaucoma, a disease that damages the optic nerve, resulting in vision loss if left untreated. Beyond the health of your eyes, eye exams can also reveal symptoms impacting the rest of your body, such as diabetes and brain tumors. Eye doctors recommend that exams occur annually or every 2 years, depending on your age. Treatments can range from corrective lenses to laser and surgery. So don't take your eyes for granted before it's too late, because they hold a lot of power to your vision and health.